Welcome, viewers. I want to talk to you a little bit about traditional hydrotherapy. Traditional hydrotherapy, the use of water to treat and cure diseases. Hydrotherapy. Yes, in ancient Africa, our great ancestors used water to cure all types of diseases and ailments. They didn't only treat the symptoms, they actually cured the diseases with simple water. Yes, water. Water is abundant. We have a lot of water everywhere. It does not cost you money. You can use the water you have in your own premises to cure diseases. Yes, every disease. And so, with water, there are various methods you can use. For example, the baths, the wraps, the soaks, the compresses, the spray, and douche. These are all various methods we use in curing diseases with the use of water. And we are popularizing and calling attention to the use of water to cure diseases. It does not take you years in school. It does not take you a lot of work to know how to use common natural remedy as water to cure your ailments, your diseases. Some of these diseases, even the current hospitals cannot handle. Yes, hydrotherapy, water cure. And our center, we call it appropriately the Water Cure Center. One of the applications that we make in the use of water to treat diseases is what we call the hot foot bath. What do we use it for? Headaches, exhaustion. We use it for congested chest, congested brain. We use it for high blood pressure and strokes. We use it when a person can't go to sleep. Okay, we use hot foot bath and it relaxes their system and they can go easily fall to sleep. What do we use? We use hot water in a basin and the patient puts their leg in the hot water and we wrap them with blanket in order to preserve the heat. And this does wonders in taking care of headaches, stroke situations, high blood pressure, congested headaches, congestions in the chest area. All right? That is how we do it. A simple method with the use of water, hydrotherapy treatment, is what we call the wet sheet wrap. Wet sheet wrap. We first do a hot foot bath, which we showed to you, in order to heat up the body. And after that is done, then the patient is laid on the table and is wrapped with cold sheet. The sheet have been soaked in cold water, sometimes ice water. And then the patient is wrapped, completely wrapped. We use this a lot when Patients have internal heat in their body. They feel hot in their whole body. So we wrap them, and this body is able to release the heat in the body, and you discover that the heat in the body will dry up the sheet, and even sometimes it will dry up the blanket. Other of the very simple treatments that we use is the cold and hot showers. Hot and cold showers. This treatment is wonderful to awaken the immune system, the system that does the fighting in your body, that gets rid of toxins. Okay? We use the hot and cold to wake up the body, the immune system to do its work. So this is an illustration of that treatment. Hot water, shower, and after 3 minutes, after 3 minutes, we turn off the hot and open the cold. Hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. It is wonderful to waken up the immune system so it can do its work. It's a wonderful treatment. For those that have been sick for some time, it is great for cancer cases. Another application we want to show to you is the cold water soak. Cold water soak. I had a professor who had been hospitalized overseas, spent a lot of money going to treat overseas, and not cured. I admitted him for a month. And as he started soaking in a cold bath, his disease was gone in 2 weeks. He was healed. So we want to show you the cold water soak. Oh yeah. That is the soak. Water to the neck. And from the neck all the way down, the patient is soaking in the cold water. She can be there 5 to 10 minutes. She's done with the soaking, and she can now have her exercise. It's a great cure, a wonderful cure for lung debilitated patients. It is great for diabetes. It is great for persons that are having issues with cardiovascular problems. The soak, the cold water soak.